Hello, sir. Good evening. I'm Mike Kalolo, Section D2B. I'm discussing role number 18, responsibility between vessels. Any vessels other than a vessel not under command or a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver shall, if the circumstance of the case admit, avoid impeding the safe passage of a vessel constrained by her dot exhibiting the signal in roll number 18 ay roll number 28. Roll number 19, conduct of vessel and restricted visibility. Every vessel shall proceed at a safe speed adapt to the prevailing circumstance and condition of restricted visibility. A power-driven shall vessel a power-driven vessel shall have her engines ready for immediate maneuver. Rule number 20. Application. The light pres- prescribed by this rule shall, if cared, also be exhibited from sunrise to sunset in restricted visibility and may be exhibited in all other circumstances when it is deemed necessary. Rule number 21. Definitions. Masthead light means a white light placed over the fore and aft center line of the vessel, showing an unbroken line over an arc of the horizon of 2 to 5 degrees, and so fixed as to show the light from right ahead to 22 to 5 degrees above the beam on either side of, of the vessel. Rule number 22. Vessel visibility of lights. The lights prescribed in this rule shall have an intensity as specified in Section 8 of Annex I to this regulation, so as to be visible at the following minimum range. Thank you, sir.